ese estilo retro, estás interesante como el acero, tú eres siempre tan brillante. Si me serás, intercambiamos miradas. Esta noche, baby, si se notó, otra vez contigo, qué bendición.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you don't know me, my name is Dazzlin, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a full curly hair routine using the new Shea Moisture Bond Repair line. So if you haven't, make sure to go turn on those post notifications and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So let's get right into it. Guys, I really need a good curly hair wash day because I have been going on a week now and this is my first wash. I usually try to do 2 in a week, but this is what we're working with. So the first thing that I'm gonna get into is the Bond Repair shampoo. It has restorative hydroplex infusion, and this system is a 4-step system that rebuilds broken hair bonds and achieves 6 times stronger hair. I actually love this shampoo. It smells delicious. It has like an avocado berry smell, and it gently cleanses dry and processed strands while being blended with Amla oil, fair trade shea butter, and their unique amino blend. So this essentially helps repair signs of damage, specifically in curly, coily hair. The Bond Repair line claims to transform your damaged hair to reveal shiny, renewed curls with 60% more moisture. The next product that I'm going to go in with is the Bond Repair Conditioner. So this is the second step process in the Bond Repair line, and as you can see, it is down to the end of the bottle. I have been using this like crazy, and specifically conditioner, I just need a lot more than any other product really to really give my hair that moisture and hydration that it needs. I like to put the conditioner starting at the top of the crown of my head and really focusing on the back center. That is usually where I have the driest and most frizzy curls, and then I work the conditioner all the way down to my ends. Also, something to know about this conditioner, or any conditioner in general, that I really like to use in my curly hair routine, I tend to keep my conditioner in longer, and I don't really rinse it out right away. Just let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes while I wash the rest of my body to really let my hair soak up all of that product. Next, after I've rinsed my hair out of the conditioner, I go in with a curly hair brush and start to detangle my hair from tips to roots. So I start off at the very bottom and hold my hair as I do it, because if you don't, you're gonna end up pulling out a lot of hair. I then go ahead and section my hair off down the middle and make sure I detangle my hair all the way to the back of my head, and then I'm gonna go ahead and repeat this on both sides. I find that detangling your hair in the shower just makes the styling process a lot easier and quicker, especially since my hair is already damp. It tends to loosen out any knots or tangles faster than if I were to do it outside of the shower when my hair is already dry. So after I have finished detangling my hair, the next step in the Bond Repair line that I'm going to go in with is the Bond Repair Masque. So I actually really like this one. It has a thicker consistency than most. It kind of feels like a leave-in conditioner, but just a little bit thicker. This one I apply generously to the top of my head, again focusing in on the middle section, the crown of my head. Make sure I'm getting my sides, my baby hairs, and then work this all the way down to my roots as well. Then I go ahead, add a clip, and leave the mask in for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out. Alright guys, so now I am back. I have finished rinsing out all of the product, and we're going to get into styling. So sometimes when I get out of the shower, my hair dries very, very quickly. So I'm going to go in with a spray bottle just filled with regular water to dampen up my hair a little bit before starting to apply product. Then the first thing I do is section off my hair, starting from the very back and first layer. And this is just a good technique that I use to make sure all of the product is evenly distributed throughout my hair. Then the last step of the Bond Repair line that I'm going to use is their leave-in conditioner. So this is a thicker consistency than a regular cream or hair moisturizer. So I would definitely be mindful if you're going to stack up products or use other products on top of this. It might make your hair a bit heavy when thinking about piling on a whole bunch of products. The thing I really like about this line is that it is enough to just go in with a leave-in conditioner, and I just finger rake this product all throughout my curls and make sure everything is evenly coated. When it comes to my curly hair routines, I really like to be as minimalistic and simplistic as possible. The less the better. If I have to go in with 2 or 3 products, fine, okay, but that is not the goal. Essentially, I want to be a one and done girly. Give me one product that does the job and call it a day. So that is why this leave-in conditioner has been my favorite. It really gives my hair that hold that it needs while also achieving the definition that I look for, but it doesn't dry with a cast. Easy to work into the hair and maneuver through your curls, but the leave-in conditioner really has a nice consistency where it's really a one-step system, and it will give you the most defined, hydrated, soft, non-crunchy curls. Something I also really like about this leave-in conditioner is that it does not add to my shrinkage. I have the curly hair type between 3B and 3C where my hair dries and my curls shrink a lot. So I try to look for products that create some length within my hair. I'm not really crazy about volume, but if I can keep the length and get the length, then it's for me. And I really like how this leave-in conditioner holds my hair and maintains that length without weighing it down. Now that I'm at the crown of my head, I start to style my hair a little bit differently. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hair and brush it to the front of my face. The reason I do this is because it's easy for me to see and finger coil the curls in front of my head, but it also adds some volume when I flip them back over. I tend to notice if I brush my hair in the regular direction that my curls lay flat and they dry rather frizzy and don't have as much oomph to them. So I try to style the crown of my head to the front, and these are also the curls that I need to start finger coiling, just because these are the ones that tend to frizz up the most or not have the most definition. If you guys are interested in seeing a finger coiling video, I definitely have one of those on my page. So definitely go check that out to get a step-by-step on how I finger coil my hair. Just to give you a quick tip on how to finger coil, the easiest way is just to wrap your hair around your fingers and twist them in either direction, whatever feels natural to you. But this essentially is just giving the curl some hold. It's letting the product really sink in and absorb into your curls while helping it create a mold or a shape for it to dry in a spiral formation. I'm getting to the front of my head. As you can see, it gets a little difficult because sometimes the knots just come out of nowhere. Even brushing my hair in the shower, my hair tends to get a little tangled, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing that I did before and start finger coiling these curls as well. And these are the most important ones that I tend to focus on. This is a part of my routine that just happens to take a little bit more time than most because these are the curls that end up framing my face. So if I don't take the time to make sure these curls are defined, I'm gonna end up having a poofy crown of curls that are framing my face, and I don't really like when that happens. So I just like to take my time and make sure these curls are extra defined. So as you can see, when it comes to using the Bond Repair line, especially for styling, the leave-in conditioner is giving me enough hold to hold my curls together when twisting them. So if you're doing a twist and go or a wash and go, I definitely highly recommend this product. It helps with styling. As you guys can see, it is a lot of arm work. My arms start hurting after a while. It's a little bit of a workout, but hey, if curly hair is going to give me some more arm definition, I am here for it. So then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take these clips just to hold the top curls on the top of my head while they dry and keep them out of my face. And then I'm just going to go ahead and finger rake the front of my hair just to make sure that everything is in place. Lastly, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and take my baby hair toothbrush. Yes, it is a toothbrush. So you really don't need to go out and buy a baby hair specific brush. A toothbrush will do just fine, and I make sure that everything is laid and set in place. And then from here, I just make sure everything is brushed out and all of the product is properly distributed. As you can see, sometimes there are a bit of product white spots or dots. That happens with my hair, but then I tend to notice once my hair dries, my curly hair really absorbs all of that product, so I don't end up with flaky product build up on my hair. So I try to rake it out as much as possible, or I'll get a napkin and soak it up. But the last step is really just waiting for your hair to air dry. These are the results with my hair wet, and then I'm gonna go ahead and come back in a little bit to show you guys my curly hair after it has dried. Alright, so I am back and I have let my hair dry. It usually takes about 4 to 5 hours for my hair to dry, but I really never use a blow dryer. I just wash my hair in the mornings, go out about my day, and my hair is usually fully dried by the afternoon. So these are my dried results. I'm really careful with how I manipulate my curls at the top of my head. I want to be as gentle as possible because, like I said before, these are the curls that get the frizziest, so I want to be careful breaking them from their cast and loosening them up. My curly hair has definition, it has shine, it has moisture, it smells good. The Bond Repair line did what it said it was gonna do, and I am in love with it. I have been using this line for a while now, and I just wanted to give my honest opinion, genuine review, and how I integrate it into my curly hair routine so you guys could try it out and see if it works for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to turn on those post notifications so you can find out when I post more curly hair routines just like this one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.